Hey guys, it's JLA256 here. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a flying machine and build a boat for treasure. It's the really fast one, so you're going to be watching out. So you're going to need, these are the requirements. I'm going to pop them up on screen. Alright, let's get building. So first you put them like this, like make it 2 block high. Then you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it even, not like that, but like make it like this. And then you're gonna be getting one. You're gonna need one of these. It's called a. You're gonna need a hinge. You're gonna place it upwards like that, and then you're gonna need these glue blocks, and then you're gonna step onto the hinge, and then you're gonna encase them in glue blocks. But also you need your anchor off. So now you're gonna wanna undo this. Well, first you gotta have anchor off. So I'm gonna quickly redo it. And then you're gonna delete the bottom block, and then you should be able to go. And you're gonna have to hit the jump button for the whole, like when you want to go fly. And you're gonna do that, and it should give you a win. This is what I use to get my 58 gold blocks. It's my main way of winning. Let me just get in control. And then you won. Simple like that. Now let's go claim our rewards. And there you go. That's how to make a flying machine and build a boat for treasure. Because I'm Sigma. It doesn't give you the full thing, but it's the quickest route. Alright, that's it. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Peace out.